I'm Logan, and these are the three most important steps to maintaining your car. Let's begin with the air filter. The filter is important as your car needs the air to run. Often your air filter is contained in a box. Depending on the vehicle, it may be just clips or sometimes screws holding the box closed. Identify the air filter by a large pipe leading directly into the engine. The second is the oil. The oil is extremely important to keep your vehicle running well. Be sure to know the intervals of how often to change the oil. If you are unsure, you can check your oil. Simply lift the dipstick out of the engine. The dipstick is normally a yellow ring or tab that leads directly into the engine. Use a paper towel or cloth to see the color of the oil. If it is an old or light brown, it is good. If your oil is very dark, you should take it to interchange. Lastly is the coolant. Every engine has an optimal temperature. Coolant is a fluid in your car that your car uses to stay cool and prevent overheating. Make sure you keep coolant in the car as major damage can happen if your engine gets too hot.